Hey friends, I hope you and your loved ones are doing well and staying safe at this time. I'm back today with a new tutorial to hopefully provide you some much needed entertainment and relief, teaching you 2 different techniques to create passion twists. This style is super easy to do, it's not time consuming, it's cost effective, and it lasts for at least a month, so it will hold you down during your quarantine. As always, if you like it, be sure to thumbs it up, make sure you leave any comments, questions, or concerns below, and subscribe to my channel. We're going to be using Sensational's Ruwa Water Wave Hair in the shade 1B, and it's 18 inches, and it looks a lot longer once you start twisting. So it's pre-stretched hair, it's 3 bundles per pack, about 9 to 12 pieces per bundle, and I used about 3 or 4 pieces per twist. It's super soft and it doesn't tangle easily. So I parted my hair into 4 sections. Of course, we're going to start at the nape, just scooping out a section for the first twist. To avoid breakage and shedding, it's super important to hydrate your hair with any protective style, so today I'm going to be using TGIN's Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. To smooth each section and make sure that it's really neat, I'm going to be using My Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Edge Control, and I'm just going to add that to the root of the twist as well as when I need to blend my hair in the twist. Alright, so for technique 1, you're going to split your hair into 2 sections. You're going to split the twisting hair into 2 sections and lay it as flat as you can to the scalp. Clip one side away and then twist your hair with the twisting hair. This allows for you to have a firm foundation, and it makes it really easy when it's time to twist the hair. Then you're going to twist the other side in the exact same motion. Grab the first piece out of the clip and begin to twist it down. This is the easiest way to add hair in, especially if you don't want to do like a crochet method or a rubber band method. It's super easy to do, it doesn't tangle your hair, and it gives you a nice smooth finish. As you see right now, I'm just adding edge control just to smooth my hair into the twist. You're going to twist it all the way down to the end, leaving a little bit of curl at the end and removing any excess hair, and that is technique 1. And really briefly, I just want to show you the length. It's coming down to my tailbone. Before we move on to technique 2, I just want to show you technique 1 again so you guys really get it. You're going to separate your hair in 2, lay the twisting hair flat onto the scalp, clip one section away and twist the first section. You're going to clip that away and twist the second section. You want to make sure it's going in the same direction as you see right here, so it gives you a nice firm hold and grip. Then you're going to grab both sections into your hand and you're just going to twist them down. And if your ends are a little funky, you can add some moisturizer or a product of your choice to recurl them. This is what it looks like when it's done. It's nice and firm, but it still has a boho chic essence about it. Now for technique 2. This technique is a lot easier because you're simply going to start your twist as a braid. The key to this is you don't want to braid it down too far because you don't want it to look ununiform and look like 2 totally different styles, but just enough to get the hair attached without a lot of struggle. So what I like to do to make sure the braid is pretty much undetectable is just fluff it at the roots. This helps to create more of a uniform consistency. Just to make sure we're all on one accord with our blessings and nobody is left behind, I'm going to show you technique 1 one more time, but I'm not going to talk through it. But now it's time to hit them edges up, child. I'm going to be using the Mayo Edge Control just to do a soft swoop into each twist. I know it's a day and age where everybody loves excessive baby hair, but ain't no way you washing their forehead like you're supposed to with all that hair laid down like that. And any excess product, I just tuck it into the twist using the tail of my comb. This is the result of about 3 hours labored with love. As always, if you find this video helpful, be sure to thumbs it up. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them down in the comment section below. And God willing, I will see you in my next video. Bye.